to save view once photos on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to save view once photos on Instagram. So view once photos are the one that person who are sending you the picture has put the picture in view once, and from there when you see that particular picture or video, that will disappear and you won't be able to see it again. So whether you can save that particular photo or video in your Instagram, we need to check the policies first. So when I open the Chrome browser and I search for it, it says that no, you cannot officially saw view once pictures or photos on Instagram as the content is designed to disappear after being viewed. However, you can use unofficial workarounds, but which is not advisable. And I will not show you any illegal way over here, because simply view once photos are designed in a way that respect someone else's privacy. You should respect someone else's privacy while watching and talking to them. You should not breach their privacy, and that's the message that I wanted to convey through this video. So yeah, unfortunately you cannot save view once photos on Instagram. I hope you find this video to be helpful.